Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá. Ẹ máa bá wa kálọ.
Welcome. This course is arranged in sequence whereby each lesson is based on the previous lesson or lessons. This is the first lesson in a long series. After every 4 lessons, we shall have a revision quiz to test our knowledge of the materials learned in 4 immediate past lessons. In this first lesson, we shall be discussing the alphabet. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, if you have already done so, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Subscribing will let you enjoy special benefits such as prompt notification of new lessons and study materials, access to the teacher's assessment of your completed exercises, evaluation of your progress and performance, recommendation for improved learning and privilege to receive complimentary personalized interactive practice materials. Lesson 1. The alphabet.
Ẹ̀kọ́ kìíní álúfábẹ́ẹ̀tì.
The alphabet is the foundation of a spoken language. It is the logical first topic in studying the language. The spelling, reading, pronunciation, and listening are impossible without a strong knowledge of the alphabet. Letter recognition is very important in the process of learning a language. Letter recognition enables us to know how letters and words appear and sound. The English alphabet has 26 letters. The Yoruba alphabet has 25 letters. The English alphabet has 21 consonants. The Yoruba alphabet has 18 consonants. The English alphabet has 5 vowels. The Yoruba alphabet has 7 non-nasal vowels and 5 nasal vowels. English letters do not have diacritics. Some Yoruba letters have diacritics over or and under them. The English alphabet does not have
E, B, O,
and.
She.
The Yoruba alphabet does not have C, Q, V, X, and Z. English is an intonation language. Yoruba is a tonal language. Be encouraged to have a very good understanding of the Yoruba alphabet. It would help in facilitating your learning the Yoruba language. Repeat after the letters to learn and practice their pronunciations.
A, B, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y.
One of the fastest and easiest method to learn the Yoruba alphabet is to memorize it 5 letters at a time. In this section, repeat after each block of 5 letters as they are displayed and cited.
A, B, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Chi, ti, u, wi, yi.
Another good method of learning the Yoruba alphabet is by associating the letters with an object or an idea that can be easily remembered. Repeat after the letters and the phonic sounds in this section to learn and practice their pronunciations.
A. Ajá. A. Ajá. B. Bàtà. B. Bàtà. D. Dùrù. D. Dùrù. E. Ewé. E. Ewé. Ẹ. Ẹja. Ẹ. Ẹja. Fí. Fìlà. Fí. Fìlà. Gí. Gèlè. Gí. Gèlè. Gbí. Gbàgùdá. Gbí. Gbàgùdá. Hí. Háríhá. Hí. Háríhá. Í. Ìràwọ̀. Í. Ìràwọ̀. Jí. Jígí. Jí. Jígí. Kí. Kìnìún. Kí. Kìnìún. Lí. Labalábá. Lí. Labalábá. Mí. Màlúù. Mí. Màlúù. Ní. Nàngúdù. Ní. Nàngúdù. Ó. Owó. Ó. Owó. Ọ. Ọsàn. Ọ. Ọsàn. Pí panápaná. Pí panápaná. Rí ràkúnmí. Rí ràkúnmí. Sí sálúbàtà. Sí sálúbàtà. Ṣí ṣíbí. Ṣí ṣíbí. Tí tafàtafà. Tí tafàtafà. Ú ú wí wàrà. Wí wàrà. Yí yànmùyánmú. Yí yànmùyánmú.
The word of the day.
Orúkọ.
Name. The sentences of the day.
Kí ni orúkọ ẹ?
What is your name?
Orúkọ mi ni.
My name is. The proverb of the day.
Orúkọ ẹni ni ìjánu ẹni.
One's name is one's bridle, which means the means of controlling people or getting their attention is their names. Hope you learned one or two things. You may pause the video to write down the exercises. Also, you may send a recording of your performance of the exercises to the teacher via email if you would like an assessment of your completed exercises. Have fun. Till next time when we shall be discussing consonants. Bye for now.
Títí di ọjọ́ mìíràn, ọjọ́ ire, ire o.